Today, in the early morning at 7:30 a.m., Tengye Corporation opens the door and starts their daily works. In the afternoon, the new orders that were received in the morning are able to be added into production. Our factory and office are both located in Shenzhen Manufacturing Center, Fuyang, a hub city with smooth traffic and fast trade. In our factory, our customized boxes are boring in high-quality control production processes with incredible speed. Every box under the printing and technology processes must be checked carefully in order to make sure of product quality and safety. Also included in our production processes are hot stamping, UV, CMYK lamination process, indentation process, and bump embossing process, etc. These techniques can improve our product's quality by making them become more dazzling and eye-catching. As a unique factory supplier focused on paper printing in Shenzhen, China, we package, pack, or do up gifts, cosmetics, electronic, and livings. Tengye has been upholding the cooperation concept of honesty, quality first, clients first for 17 years. We provide high quality, low cost, high sale design and production solutions for 40-plus countries, 400-plus brands, and 3,000-plus clients worldwide. We, smallpackagingbox.com, provide customers a one-stop service which includes raw material selection, inquiry, design, proofing, printing into boxes, and transportation. The integrated service advantage of industry and trade allows us to make faster adjustments and amendments to errors that occur in order to prevent delays in delivery. Tengye's process of cooperation is to provide employees and clients a home-like feeling of sincerity and warmth. As a result, we can contribute our own strength and responsibility to promote the good construction of society. At the end, we hope you enjoyed our introduction video. We would like to say thank you for visiting our website, and hopefully we can have an opportunity to cooperate with you in the upcoming future.